the Seven of Cups. The Seven of Cups is the Debauch card. And as you can see with this card, it has a horrible, sticky, icky green color to it. The water is not flowing well. It's like it's in a swamp or in a lake that's full of algae. So there is not a free flow of real emotions here, but actually almost a clinginess, a neediness. You see at the top the symbol of Venus, which is the goddess of beauty and love, but at the bottom you have it in opposition to Scorpio, and Scorpio is a sign of sexuality. So the question to ask yourself is, where am I using sexuality as a way to supplement the fact that I really don't know how to have true love, or I don't know how to let true love in? So this is a card of drug addiction, intoxication, guilt, fear, sexual guilt, sexual illnesses and diseases, places where you're very toxic, lymphatic problems, cancer, digestive system weaknesses, things like diabetes. So there is sort of a miserable, unhealthy way that you're moving your emotions. Sometimes you want to get instant gratification, and this is a card of instant gratification, but with it becomes horrible consequences. So too much of a good thing can kill you. So life is about learning moderation, and this card right now is indicating that is not happening. So when you get this card, it is a definite warning that your body is being overloaded by toxins. You're on the verge of falling apart. If you do not do something pretty radically, the universe is going to make a very serious correction for you. And sometimes it's good to pull yourself back from the brink before the universe literally does it for you. So when you get this card, you want to ask yourself the question, where am I in an addictive habit, whether that's through a belief system or an actual activity that no longer serves my highest self? So one of my teachers used to say that alcoholism and drugs, they can give you a glimmer into a possibility, but they are insufficient for being able to maintain high states of consciousness. In our culture, we have a tendency to like shortcuts, but the shortcut can kill you over time. If you perpetually use the shortcut and don't allow yourself to learn how to move consciousness through a stable way in your body, it will break down your body. So this is time, when you get this card, to stop, regroup, pull back, do a cleanse, go to the doctor, get checked out, check your hormones, see what you need to do in order to begin to feel better. And most important, to take responsibility for your choices, because in this moment with this card, your wounded emotions are driving the bus. And if you're not careful, you could end up underneath that bus.